Dear audience, please at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am a student. I study at Jakaria Darul Uloom Islamia Madrasa. It is at Kraniganj Secondary at Dhaka. The name of my principal of this madrasa is Hafiz Maulana Mufti Janab Muhammad Ibrahim Sharif. The name of my chairman of this madrasa is Janab Haji Muhammad Najimuddin Sahib, and our area Shubadda Union chairman is Janab Haji Muhammad Iqbal Hussain. The main speaker of our mahfil is Maulana Mufti Hidayatullah Khan Azadi Sahib, chairman of Jagua Borishal. The name of our English teacher name is Musammat Akhi ma'am. She is not only a teacher but also a writer. All the teachers of this madrasa are very qualified and expert, also gentlemen. Not only that but also a environment. This madrasa is very good. So I feel proud and happy for this madrasa. Now I like to say about myself. My name is Rafika Sharif Wasfi. I am 8 years old. My father name is Hafiz Maulana Mufti Janab Muhammad Ibrahim Sharif. He is a teacher, and my mother name is Alima Musammat Rabia Boshti. She is also a teacher. My religion is Islam. So I am a Muslim. I feel proud because I am Muslim. The name of our country is Bangladesh. So I am a Bangladeshi. Bangladesh is our motherland. It is very beautiful country. Thank you. No more to that. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.